Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best RGB LED light speaker available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the MLOVE P3 outdoor Bluetooth speaker. Having used speakers with older Bluetooth versions, the difference with version 5.3 is immediately noticeable. The MLOVE P3 connected to my phone faster than any other speaker I've tested, usually within 2 to 3 seconds of turning it on. The IPX7 waterproof rating isn't just marketing hype, I've verified it personally. During a sudden downpour on a hiking trip, the speaker continued playing without missing a beat. The 16.8 million color RGB lighting system isn't just a gimmick, it genuinely enhances the atmosphere, especially during evening gatherings. I particularly enjoyed how the lights pulse in rhythm with the music, creating a mini light show that's subtle enough not to be distracting but vibrant enough to be noticed. The 3700 mAh battery is one of the MLOVE P3's standout features. I've been consistently impressed by its longevity during my testing. At moderate volume, I've regularly achieved 14 to 16 hours of playback, more than enough for a full day of outdoor activities. At number 2 is the XDOBO X8 360 watts RGB light Bluetooth speaker. The 60 watts output power is no marketing gimmick. This speaker fills my living room with rich, resonant sound that I'd typically expect from much larger systems. The frequency response of 40 Hz to 20 kHz is immediately noticeable when playing bass-heavy tracks. The Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity is rock solid, with noticeably better range than my older Bluetooth 4.2 speakers. I was able to leave my phone in the kitchen and stream music to the speaker in my backyard with 0 dropouts. The 12-hour battery claim seemed ambitious, so I put it to the test. At moderate volume levels, I consistently got between 10 to 12 hours of playback time. When pushing it louder for a backyard gathering, that dropped to about 8 hours, still impressive considering the output level. I'm typically not one for flashy lights on audio equipment, but I've found the RGB lighting system on the X8 III to be tastefully implemented. The lights respond to the music, creating an ambient effect that enhances rather than distracts from the listening experience. At number 3 on our list is the ORTIZAN 40 watts wireless Bluetooth speaker. The IPX7 waterproof rating isn't just marketing hype. My speaker accidentally fell into my friend's pool during a gathering, and after quickly retrieving it, it continued playing without missing a beat. While I wouldn't recommend regular submersion, it's reassuring to know the speaker can handle unexpected exposure to water. The promised 30-hour battery life initially seemed ambitious, but I've found the speaker consistently delivers between 25 to 30 hours of playback at moderate volume levels. The ergonomic carrying handle makes transportation effortless, and at just under 5 pounds, the speaker strikes an ideal balance between substantial feel and portability. I can easily carry it with one hand while managing other items. The true wireless stereo feature became a game changer when I purchased a second unit. Pairing both speakers creates an immersive stereo experience that transforms any space. The process was surprisingly intuitive, just a few button presses and both speakers synchronized perfectly. Moving up at number 4 is the Ohayo X3 portable Bluetooth speaker. The dual circular breathing lights create a mesmerizing visual experience that synchronizes perfectly with whatever music is playing. Bass-heavy tracks produce deeper, slower pulses, while faster songs create more dynamic light patterns. The Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity proved reliable throughout my testing. I was able to maintain a stable connection at distances up to 35 to 40 feet in open areas, exceeding the advertised 10-meter range. Even with walls and obstacles between my phone and the speaker, the connection remained stable at reasonable distances. Battery life claims often fall short in real-world usage, so I was pleasantly surprised by the Ohayo X3's performance. At moderate volume levels, I consistently achieved between 16 to 18 hours of playback, remarkably close to the advertised 18 hours. When pushing the volume to maximum for outdoor use, battery life predictably decreased to about 12 to 14 hours, still impressive for such powerful output. The 4-hour charging time via USB-C proved accurate, making it convenient to fully recharge overnight. At number 5 is the WISETIGER DEEYAPLE A46 mini Bluetooth speaker. One of the first things I noticed was how fast and stable the Bluetooth 5.3 connection was. Pairing it with my phone took seconds, and the connection remained solid even when I moved to another room. Whether I was streaming music, watching YouTube videos, or taking calls, the sound stayed in sync with no noticeable lag or dropouts. The lightweight and portable design is another huge plus. The speaker is small enough to fit in one hand, and it comes with a handy lanyard so I can clip it onto my backpack or hang it from my bike. Battery life is one area where many small speakers fall short, but the A46 easily lasted around 10 hours at moderate volume, which was more than enough for a full day out. It only took about 2 to 3 hours to recharge via USB-C, which is fast and convenient. I never felt anxious about the battery dying mid-use. One A46 speaker already delivers surprisingly full sound for its size, but pairing 2 units together using TWS is next level. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.